and running, my beautiful people. What's going on, my sister? We are at the Grill Fest here in St. Kitts. What you want to say to the people there, my sister? Hail up them.
Hail up, yes, we are here in St. Kitts Grill Fest. You can look here around. Looking good.
So you come to enjoy yourself?
Yeah, what's up? Listen now.
My baba, what you doing, my baba? Yes, you come to the Grill Festival? Oh. You look shy, though, my baba. You have so much chat, you look shy on camera. What you want to say to the people them? You're watching your Anne Marie lifestyle. What you want to say to the people them?
Make sure I'm being myself. I'm not for myself. I'm not going to fight. I love to enjoy the moment.
All right, big up yourself.
Hey, yeah.
Siri, it's a sample. $20 a buckle. Okay. So Jackie, you're buying $20 a buckle.
I'm sampling first and I will come back. You ready to walk with me? I don't want to show me.
You want to? She want to sample first. Come, sample the wine. My sister is here sampling the wine, you know. She like her little wine when she ready, so she's sampling, guys. Oh, it tastes. Tastes good? So you're going by your buckle? Guys, we are here with the great sunshine. How are you, my dear? The great sunshine. Come here. Talk to my lovely people. This is Marie Lifestyle. And the great man sunshine from Nevis. Oh, you're having a sawfish cake? Yeah, that's nice. So you enjoy the fest so far? Why? What you say? Pick up yourself. These are my people, you know. My beautiful people, you're watching Marie Lifestyle. You're on Marie Lifestyle. Mambo, what you say? Yeah, man, but pick up Jamaica, no man. Tell the people about Jamaica we are watching, no man. What you want to say to your family when they see you on Marie Lifestyle? Tell them. What do you want to say to your family back home in Jamaica? Tell them what you're doing here in St. Kitts today on the road. All right, Bamba, big up yourself. Hi dear, how are you?
Hey, my name's Dan. Really enjoying the festival, it's great.
Okay.
The coaches, you just stand around to the side, you see the
Oh yeah, where are you from?
We're all from London. And
Okay, great having you here, guys. Are you enjoying St. Kitts Festival so far?
Amazing.
You have to be
Great food, great drink, good vibes.
Your first time here in St. Kitts?
First time in St. Kitts.
Oh, welcome. Nice to have you here. Where were your visits so far?
Say again?
Where do you visit so far here on the island since you're here?
So we're actually here working, so we're working on a security defence football camp.
Okay, that's great.
We've seen a lot that are out from the UK, USA and Canada.
Yeah.
The young people of St. Kitts.
Thank you very much for coming and help us here in St. Kitts. Nice to have you. And you're watching your hand Marie Lifestyle. Thank you. Hey dear, how you doing?
I am well. How are you?
I'm great. And you're speaking with Anne Marie Lifestyle?
Yes, Anne-Marie. How are you? Fans doing?
They're doing, the number is coming up, you know, the number is coming there, it's coming, I'm working on it. So who am I speaking with now?
Yes, agriculture.
Okay, nice. So you're doing at the festival now, or you're enjoying the festival?
I mean, if you look around, everybody's having a wonderful time, so am I. Today, the entertainment is good.
Thank you. Thank you. You take channel, Anne-Marie Lifestyle. Thank you. Oh, yes, dear. This is Marie Lifestyle. How are you doing, darling? Are you enjoying the festival so far?
Awesome. It's an annual and it is awesome.
Say, oh.
And I hope
Don't forget the winner.
You hear that, guys?
come here.
Second place is gonna win a blender.
So you're telling the people them watching you when they see the video upload. What do you want to say to them?
We have the judges. Just a breakdown of the criteria, what they will be looking for, and what would be the winner standard.
And international market to come here as
So he's
well.
gonna give us a breakdown of the category.
And you work
So
where?
last year you were here, and you are a judge. So tell us your thoughts about
You understand that, guys? You work with the Carnival community. So guys, here, tell them what they have coming store for the Carnival. What you have prepare coming for Carnival for December.
It's I want to congratulate the organizers and
Folklore, drums, masquerade, jamming,
Wow!
calypso shows, panorama, the whole works. They had one package.
You hear that, guys? Come on out. Book your ticket early. Because we are jamming here in St. Kitts this year. You hear?
And not only that, you have customer service, you have the vendors, you have local food, transport, water, pumps, fruit, anything you want. The number one bag. Come on, the number one bag.
Well, you say your number one gang soup.
That's right. That is one of the vendors them witness for yourself.
Come talk. One of the vendors say, come talk.
Vendor for National Carnival for years. Come on now, book early.
And what is your menu, girl? Tell the people there what is your menu. You're shy from the camera.
Yes, I'm so shy. I'm camera shy.
Well, this is a sister interviewing you, girl. That is a sister interviewing you. Oh my God. People say that I'm our bigger sister. She running from the camera. Thank you, darling. Thank you very much. So, guys, you hear it from one of the secretary at the Carnival community, guys.
Carnival Secretariat.
Yeah, you hear that, guys?
This is the grill fest that is going on in the ministry. Two of them are sorry.
Nice. Thank you so much, sweetheart. This is what? Wings? Barbecue wings?
Yeah, wait.
Look at that, guys. Nice barbecue wings the guys them are doing on the grill here. And your name, darling? Ken? Okay. So much bucket you done do already for the day?
How much bucket?
Yeah. Okay, you're doing good, man. You're doing good. Guys, look there. Look at the bucket there. This is father and son, right? Look how they look alike like twin. Nice seeing you working together, man. Yeah, not live, but you're going to upload on my YouTube channel, which is Anne-Marie Lifestyle. It's going to be on my YouTube channel, which is Anne-Marie Lifestyle. All the chicken you are doing? Oh, that's
Pork chop.
oh, pork chop over there. Okay. Guys, I can't go right around, guys. You see that? Other people is here. They bar. It's bar right off, guys. So we have to stand up on this side here and look and talk with them, guys. See that? Father and son looking good here in SKB. Look at that, guys. A lot of people is here in the fest today. A lot of people. Looking great. The bars, them are full right through. Competition still carry on, guys. They on the stage there having a competition, eating competition, guys. So the ground full with people all over here. Yes, that is how we do it here in SK, guys.
And all of the other persons